Trish, and this is Fold of the Week, a show where I share powerful print marketing ideas to help you achieve success on any budget. This week, I've got a modified T-Cross self-mailer design that's a total multitasker with a glueless pocket that holds light materials and doubles as your response mechanism. I've got 3 samples from the series, so let's take a closer look. The format starts out like a trifold with a spot varnish effect and velvety feel. There's a personalized letter too. And when you open it up, there's a response card attached, which acts as a glueless pocket and holds 2 inserts. One is a 3-panel accordion fold with instructions for folding it down into a small origami project. The other insert is the reply envelope. The reply card, when folded down, reveals that the actual shape of this mailer is a T-cross, but the panel is perfed and is designed to be removed, leaving an intact trifold format. Here's another one with the same formula, but entirely different content. Same effects, personalized letter, reply envelope, and perfed reply card, but this time the fun giveaway on the 3-panel accordion is 3 Amish recipe cards. Here's one more sample from the series, and I chose this one because it breaks the existing design grid a bit, but for a good reason. This one's for teen girls. It features spot rainbow glitter effects, and in lieu of the personalized letter, they load up all of the panels, including the mailing panel, with eye-catching photos and creative craft projects. The freemium in this one is 3 sparkly postcards with positive messaging. They run tens of thousands of each version, all with variable data personalization, so these are designed for production efficiency and finishing automation at SPC. I showed you 3 of these, but there are many more of them under the Annie's Publishing umbrella. It's a brilliant technique where they found a formula that works and spun it out. All designs use a T-cross carrier with a perfed reply card panel with a nested 3-panel accordion and reply envelope. Smart design, efficient production, and great results. What more could you ask for? A very special thanks to the creators of the samples featured in this episode for sharing their solution with us. If you've ever been inspired by something you've seen on the show, please consider folding it forward and sharing your work too. If you're looking for more ideas, downloads, and templates, visit Foldfactory.com, and remember, think finishing at the beginning. I'll see you next week. Bye.